Happy Mother's Day, Mama!
Thank you.
Welcome!
Happy Mother's Day, Mama!
Thank you, Chris.
Yay!
Thank you. Oy!
sorry. Yung hakaw. Yung hakaw kasi. Sorry.
OA.
Yung hakaw. Hindi ko abot. Yan ang Hokage moves. Hey guys, so today in honor of Mother's Day, our very, very special mother here, we're taking her to one of her favorite spots, and that's Modern Shang.
I'm excited to eat now.
Yeah! Chinese food!
Chinese food! That's just my favorite.
Yes.
For Mother's Day, we're celebrating it the best way we know how.
Through food. Sarap. Nagustuhan talaga namin yung yam chow fried rice,
The sweet and sour pork,
crispy pork, the birthday noodles.
and Katie's favorite was the Peking-style roasted chicken. So if you still don't have plans for Mother's Day, keep it simple, but special. Somewhere like Modern Shang.
Sobra talaga naming nagustuhan ng food dito.
Ang sarap talaga, grabe.
Cheers! Thank you
Thanks
so much, Mother
Mother
Shang! Sobrang sarap ng food.
food.
At hindi pa talaga kami tumigil. Nag-try pa kami ng iba nilang food. Nag-order pa kami ng salted egg bun. Grabe, ang sarap.
I promise. And this one. Yan.
Sarap din. More. Pwede pa pong more? Sorry, ang sarap.
Happy Mother's Day, Mama!
Thank you.
Welcome!
Happy Mother's Day, Mama!
Thank you, Chris.
Yay!
Thank you. Happy
Happy
Mother's Day sa lahat ng mga nanay.